Welcome to DIY Minecraft with Holly and
Mayan. Today we're going to open up a Play-Doh cake mountain. Let's come check it out. Okay, so we went ahead and took everything out of the box, and I'll show you what everything has. So we have 2 Play-Doh plates for your dessert, your cake that you made. We have an icing maker thing, and you put in the Play-Doh and then you just squeeze it and it'll come right out. And then this is a roller, and you have like cool design on it, we have a knife and a fork, and we have candles for our cake, and we have 5 colors of Play-Doh. We have a pink and a green, and this is Play-Doh Plus, and if you don't know what Play-Doh Plus is, it's really, really soft Play-Doh, so that's really cool. I love Play-Doh Plus. And we have purple Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, and blue Play-Doh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open these while she shows you what we have in the cake.
so here's the cake maker where you're gonna put your, you know what they're, oh, mine went out good. If you like to see mine. Now I'm gonna start so as you can see that now I have the icing. You should probably use the Play-Doh Plus, but you can also use the Play-Doh regular. But the Play-Doh Plus is more smoother and it'll be much easier to put on. And as you can see now, here's my cake. Put a little bit of icing, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And so I put this icing like this, and I can flatten it out so it's like a little statue. The icing, probably make a different color of stars. Maybe the pink Play-Doh Plus. Maybe. I think it might be a little bit good for it because it's smooth and it'll be more of a cookie, kind of. Okay. Oh, and here's an extra one my mom just made. It's really cool. I really do like it. Good job.
Thanks.
Yes. Thank you for coming to work with me. Okay, now I'm going to take it from the outside. Let's get out that star I made. Wow. Not that good of a star. More like a petunia. I don't know what petunia is anyway. So we're safe here. Here's my little star. And I'm going to stick it right on the top of my sundae. And there you have mine. Now the sun made, oh, my mom did this one too. She made it bit next. Now I'm going to make another cookie. Wait, I see a good something. It's a surprise one. You might want to look at it. Bling, bling, bling. Guess what the surprise is? Go. Can't get this out. It's a candy cane. I decided to make I should hang up a little tiny candy cane. Yep. Right here on the back. There. Now I'm going to make one more. See maybe if it's a good idea or not. Because I've never done this before, so I'm just going to take all the pink I had. Roll it up into a ball, then and stick it right on the candy cane. Push.
We have our little gingerbread man.
Oh, and my mom made a little gingerbread man on the back. Here are all my mom's things. This is something I'm working on. So you'll see at the end, you'll be able to see all the things that we made. I promise you. By the way, don't forget, votes.
Oh,
We need some comments.
sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Let me see if I can do a swirl. Can I have some pink? Just a little bit?
Sure, I was going to give you the pink anyway.
Thanks. Clean.
And that's it.
Hey.
Oh my god.
You have to see how cool this is. So I took a piece of our purple, and then we have a roller here with swirls, and you can roll out, and you get swirls.
Oh, sorry.
How neat is that? I love it. Let's try the other side because I want it to be a little flatter.
Oh, what a great job.
The first side came out totally much better, but let's see. So,
Amy, I love yours. It's brilliant.
oh, Tally, let's see the cake you made.
My cake. Wonderful. It has a little star with the center little dot.
Cute.
It has icing here that I flatten out and it looks like a little sundae, and then little candy canes that I put on the top. I'm going to make a heart cake because I really liked my mom's idea of what she did, so I'm going to copy that. And so I'm going to use some blue. You know what? I think I'm going to use some yellow first. Okay. So I'm using yellow for the first one. I'm going to use blue for the second layer. And now for the end, I'm going to use some purple. Oh, and also, just so you know, don't use the Play-Doh Plus for the cake molds, for any mold, because that's for the icing, and it just won't turn out good with the mold, so, yeah. Okay, let's just get this out. And here is my cake. So now I'm going to go ahead.
So pretty.
Thank you. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some icing. Where's the icing?
Lily, where has it?
Can I please have that? No, we need to do something. Just 1 second.
Come here. Give it to Mayan a minute. Give it to Mayan. And you're ruining this. Give her the
Is that
icing.
a candle?
Yeah. It's not for Play-Doh. Give this to me a
I'm
minute.
going to put it on top. And you know what? I think it would look nice around the edges, so I'm going to go ahead and just on the edges to see what it looks like. And if it looks bad, you can always take it off. So, you know, I think it's hard to put it around, so just squeeze them out, and then after you can shape it how you want. It looks this. Okay. So that looks nice. Okay. So, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and comment below. Bye.